Here we have a little demo on how to use a tūkapi, a pronoun, in the place of a kaimahi. I'm going to use this Reremahi poro as an example. Kei te moe te pepi. The baby is sleeping. Let's have a look at this question. Kei te aha te pepi. What is the baby doing? If someone were to ask you this question, what is the baby doing? You're probably not going to say the baby is sleeping. The main reason is because it sounds quite repetitive and a little bit unnatural. So you already know that you're talking about the baby, so you're not likely to say the baby is sleeping. You're more likely to say he or she is sleeping. So let's have a look at our sentence. Here's our answer to the question, kei te moe te pepi. What we're going to do is we're just going to take the kaimahi away, which is te pepi, and we're going to replace it with ia. So now the question and the answer reads, kei te aha te pepi, kei te moe ia. What is the baby doing? He is asleep. Kia ora.